Yeah, hi.
Hello, hello. Okay, so could you share with us your backgrounds and how do you?
I'm in finance and a mother of one child. Yeah, I'm in finance line and yeah, I just gave birth I think last year.
Oh,
So yeah,
last year.
yeah.
Wow, wow, congratulations. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
what method you tried before or you have a false belief?
I didn't really try any method before.
Oh,
It's more onto like after I gave birth, I thought that the baby weight will drop accordingly, but it doesn't. So let's say if I gain like 12 kilos during my pregnancy, it probably lost 6 to 7. So that the remaining 6 to 7 is still there. So I did try to like reduce. Did I really? Yeah, I think I did try to reduce my food intake, and then I tried to do exercise, but it doesn't really seems to pass through that 70 kilos mark. Yeah.
ah,
Mm.
so why did you decide to embark this journey?
I actually saw my ex-colleague, my friend, we used to be working in the same place last time, Dija. So she was tagging Farah on this. Then I was like, wow, like she really lost a lot of weight.
Farah.
I guess it's also after her pregnancy, as her second child. So I was like, then I probably need to connect with Farah on this. Yeah.
Oh, so Farah is your coach.
Yeah, Farah is my coach.
Oh, nice. Amazing. So,
Yeah.
yeah, so I can see your food posting. Wow, it's really nice. Yeah, really, really nice. You are the champion of season 109. Wow, you are
Yeah.
giving a really a good effort. Congratulations. And
Yeah.
also, so total you lost about like 5 kg, is it?
4.6, near to 5.
So what's your goal?
60. So probably around 6 to 7 to go. Yeah.
60.
Mm.
Okay, so let's do it. Okay, and also, how do you feel about this program?
I think having consistently posting your meals and like check-ins on what they want 5, 10, it does works because it's sort of like it serves as a reminder, and it's also a motivations because you tends to, if you don't post, then you tend to sort of like you skill away, probably you're not eating that clean. But if you're posting, then you're sort of reminding yourself to do it every day. And when you post it on what day 5, then you see a bit of results that it sort of motivates you to do it again for the remaining 5 days. So I think that works.
And it helps. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
awesome. So, because you are just vegan and then you lost 5 kg. Actually, that's a lot. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
kind of fast lah, actually. Yeah, so do you have any encourage words for people who lose weight? Because many people give up very easily.
I
Yeah.
think it's very important to set the expectations from the beginning. So and like it's also very important to know that it's a long journey. Like you can't be losing 5 to 10 kilos in 1 week or 10 days.
Mm.
Like I mean it's no rocket science, right? It's your food intake, how much you burn, and then that's how you lose your weight. So there's no shortcut. It's probably, you probably gain that weight in the last 5 to 10 years. It won't take a 10 days to lose 10 kilos. So I think setting the expectation is very important, and to have a very realistic goal,
Mm.
like probably, okay, a 1 or 2 kilos for the first 10 days, then you don't feel disappointed if you didn't achieve that. So, and I think it's also very important is at the end of the day, did you feel like overall, are you a better self? Do you eat better? Do you have better habits? So if yes, the answer is yes, then if you're not reaching your goal yet, then it's okay because it will come.
Awesome, Dana. Wow,
Yeah.
I like you. Yeah. And so she's basically sharing about step by step. Yeah, no rocket science.
Mm.
Yeah, which is very smart. Okay, and also who would you like to thank in this journey?
I think definitely Farah. I think she's she's very committed, and she will texting, replying emails, and texts us on late nights. And definitely, of course, I think family is also very important because they know that I'm on this diet thing. I'm eating clean. So I think first of all, if your family is eating like very nice and greasy food and you can't join in, that's like a bummer, but they don't. So my mother-in-law will say, oh, like I know you're eating clean. So, is there anything that you can eat if we are eating out and stuff like that? So I think that really helps a lot.
So your family is support you.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
that's great, amazing. And you also have a amazing coach Farah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you.